It's already several days, but we all are in Sri Lanka, and thanks to the Lions Club Youth Camp, we are not only discovering a fascinating land, but we are also learning a lot of things linked to the countries of all the new friends that we met. That's why I highly recommend to take part to a Lions Club Youth Camp. Because doing an exchange with this charity association, you will not only help people in need, but you will also visit the country feeling a local, being welcomed in the houses of the members of the association. You will feel part of those families, you will build strong and nice friendships, and you will have the chance to learn a lot also about countries that you actually are not visiting at the moment. One of the things I am learning here is that in Taiwan there is a tea ceremony. Did you know it?
We're going to have the tea ceremony.
So, thanks to Nicole, we are now taking part to it. She kindly invited us, and we all are very curious about this ancient rite. In every movement there's grace and elegance. Patience is a must-have if you want to enjoy all the process. Everything has its own place, and there are several steps that have to be done in the correct moment. A clever thing that they do is to warm up the teacup before serving inside it the tea. I never saw doing this before. One thing which I adore here around Colombo is the food cart. Actually, there are two types, the bread one and the sweets one. They keep on going up and down the streets for the whole day, and the music that accompanies it helps you understand which food is coming near your house. After ages now, I still think about this cart when I hear Per Elisa. I have no clue how many times we stopped that car. Our desire to taste every delight was bigger than our hunger. How nice to eat those sweets while enjoying our company playing in the garden with the family doggy and the turtles. But now it's time to stop eating and starting preparing, because tonight we are going to celebrate our friendships and we guys are going to serve our traditional food to the families that kindly are hosting us in these days and are taking such a good care of us. This is our sign of gratitude. So after having been to the supermarket to buy some ingredients, here we are in the kitchen to cook our international dinner.
Good morning, world! Today is the cooking day. Every country will prepare something, and here we have the Mexico!
For peppers!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Ya no puede caminar.
And here we have Italy! Trabaja, trabaja, hombre.
We're in Ana Maria and Daniela's house cooking, and Ana Maria is very bad because she don't tell anybody what she's going to do. She didn't even let me try it, but I'm gonna try it. What you're doing?
Pepper with is calling Chile en Nogada. En Nogada. It's a kind of sauce. Yeah. It's really good. It's spicy but not but sweet and it's a strange mix.
I'm preparing some Italian food. Daniela and Enrique are cooking a Mexican meal. Karin and Cavinta are helping us while they're trying to taste in advance our food. The Mexican brothers are preparing a dish which has been created in Puebla in 1822 to celebrate the independence from Spain. It is a tribute to Mexico, as the colors of the food are the same present on the national flag. If you want to know how to replicate this recipe at home, let me know in the comments below that you would like to see a cooking vlog about how to prepare the chiles and nogada. I will be happy to shoot a cooking lesson for you, of course with the help of our Mexican friends.
How to put in disorder a kitchen. One Italian and two Mexican all together.
Here we are at the international dinner where everyone brought a traditional food to be offered to our family host and to our travel mates. Yes, Daniela and I decided to wear a sari and some local jewels in order to show our gratitude and respect to the land that is kindly hosting us during this unforgettable experience. If you want to learn how to wear a sari, put a like to this video and let me know in the comments below. I would be very happy to show to you how a sari is tailor-made. The buffet just started, but today's video is finishing right now. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you next Monday! Ciao!